Bluetooth trackers like Tiles and AirTags are everywhere, but how strong are their signals and how often do they send them out? Let's find out with a quick demo. So now I'm going to show you what Apple's AirTag does, using a meter called the Safe and Sound Pro 2 that measures the levels of microwave radiation in a unit of measure called microwatts per square meter. In this bundle of metallized fabric, we have an AirTag, and we're going to be looking at the middle line, which shows us the highest number that the meter has found since it was turned on or reset. I'm going to turn on the sound. You can hear a cell tower in the background. Now I'm going to unleash the AirTag. And you can see at this distance, it's putting out a signal roughly 6,000. Bring it a little closer. 17,000. Even closer. 39,000. And over there, that spot, it's 176,000. Now, as we move it around, you can see the numbers change, and my body's also reflecting it back. But this is just to give you a rough sense of how powerful it really is when it's right on the meter and how often it's sending out a signal. I'm Satya from the EMF Center, where we test everyday devices and show you the results. In this case, as you just saw, we got up to 176,000. For more information on safety levels, you'll find a link in the text below this video. These common Bluetooth trackers all send out a Class 2 Bluetooth signal about once a second at a fixed power level. However, Samsung's SmartTag Plus can also use a much higher frequency, and Apple's AirTag can also use a much higher frequency as well as a much lower frequency. But these additional signals are only used when needed. A while ago, I came across a wallet with an AirTag, so of course I measured it, and I got curious about how a device that only can use such a short-range signal can actually work internationally, for example. So I looked into it and found that the way it works is any nearby iPhone, iPad, or Mac will pick up their signal and then send the information back to Apple servers, which then sends it to you so you can find it on your app. And I thought that was interesting. Thank you for watching this quick demo. If you're curious to see something measured, please drop your answer in the comments below. And if you're interested to learn more about EMFs and what you can do about them, you'll also find more information below. Stay safe.